I went to the Son Bugadeillas restaurant in Santa Ponsa, Mallorca, and had a bean soup, Potaje de Judías.
Papá, enséñame a hacerlo.
Vale, mira, here's what you'll need. First the beans, soaked overnight in water, adding the blood sausage and the chorizo, a piece of Spanish serrano hand bone, half an onion, a couple of bay leaves. Simmer until the beans are tender, 1 to 2 hours. Towards the end of this time, prepare the flavorful vegetable base. Onions and green peppers are sweated down in olive oil. Garlic in after a few minutes. Season, cook a little longer. Pimenton pepper powder, stir half a minute. Grated tomato in and cook down till quite thick. Green pepper should have been added earlier with the onion. The chorizo from the beans is sliced and added along with the diced pork belly and sliced carrot. Stir over a decent heat for a couple of minutes. Then pour in the cooked beans with a cooking liquid. Add the large chunks of potato, cook 30 minutes. Only toward the end add the morcilla blood sausage, as it does tend to disintegrate, but who cares if it does? The one in the restaurant had. Buen appetito!